Have you ever wanted to show your friend a website you built on your home computer but couldn't figure out how to make it accessible from the internet? Or maybe you're tired of paying monthly fees just to expose your local services online. Welcome back to Atarian News Channel. I'm your host, and today we are diving into something that might sound technical but is actually a game changer for anyone who wants to share their projects with the world. Today we are talking about Pangolin, a free open source tool that's shaking up how we connect our local projects to the internet. Think of it as your personal bridge between your computer and the World Wide Web. So, what exactly is Pangolin? Let me break it down in simple terms. Imagine your home computer is like a house on a private street that doesn't appear on any map. Pangolin is like building a tunnel that connects your private street directly to the main highway, the internet. So anyone can visit your house if you give them the address. In technical terms, Pangolin creates what's called a tunnel, a secure connection that lets people access services running on your computer from anywhere in the world. Now you might be thinking, isn't this what Cloudflare Tunnels do? And you'd be absolutely right. Cloudflare Tunnels is a popular service that does exactly this. But here's the thing, Pangolin is the open source alternative, which means three important things. One, it's completely free, no monthly subscriptions. Two, you control your data, no third party company handling your information. And three, it's transparent. Anyone can see exactly how it works. But why should I care about this? Well, that's a great question. Let me give you some real world scenarios. Maybe you've set up a media server at home with all your movies and music. With Pangolin, you can access your collection from anywhere, your office, a coffee shop, or even while traveling abroad. No more being tied to your home network. You're running a small web service or API for your business on a computer in your office. Instead of paying for expensive hosting, Pangolin lets you expose that service to your customers for free. You're building a website or app and want to show it to clients or friends for feedback. Instead of explaining, it only works on my computer, you can give them a real web address they can visit. You want the convenience of accessing your services remotely, but you don't want to trust a big corporation with your data. Pangolin lets you keep control while still getting the benefits. The beauty of Pangolin is that it eliminates the traditional barriers, like you don't need to understand complex networking, configure routers, or pay for cloud services. Now let's address the elephant in the room. How does Pangolin stack up against Cloudflare Tunnels? Cloudflare Tunnels is like staying at a luxury hotel chain. It's polished, reliable, and comes with excellent customer service. But you are paying for that convenience and you are playing by their rules. Pangolin is more like owning your own vacation home. You have complete control, pay no ongoing fees, and can customize everything to your liking. However, you're responsible for maintenance and troubleshooting. Okay, let's talk on various fronts. Cost, Pangolin wins here. It's completely free versus Cloudflare's paid tiers for advanced features. Secondly, Pangolin gives you full control over your infrastructure. With Cloudflare, you're dependent on their services and policies. As for the ease of use, Cloudflare has a slight edge with their polished dashboard and extensive documentation. Pangolin requires a bit more technical know how on this count. As for performance, both are solid, but Cloudflare's global network gives them an advantage for users worldwide. And as for privacy, Pangolin wins for privacy advocates since your data doesn't pass through a third party company. Now let's talk about the practical benefits you will experience with Pangolin. No more monthly bills for tunnel services. Set it up once and it works indefinitely. Your information stays under your control. No corporate policies to worry about. No sudden service changes. Since it's open source, you can actually peek under the hood and understand how internet tunneling works. It's educational. Being open source means there's a community of users and developers constantly improving it and helping each other. Need a specific feature? You can modify the code or request features from the community. If you ever want to switch solutions, you're not trapped in someone else's ecosystem. Think of it this way, you're not just getting a tool, you're joining a movement toward more open, user controlled internet infrastructure. Now, who should use Pangolin? So, who's Pangolin perfect for? If you love tinkering with technology and want to understand how things work under the hood, Pangolin is your playground. Keep your costs down while maintaining professional abilities. Take back control of your data and internet presence. Great way to understand networking concepts while building something practical. Get enterprise level functionality without enterprise price tag. Perfect for development workflows, testing, and client demonstrations. However, if you prefer plug in and play solutions and don't mind paying for convenience, Cloudflare tunnels might be more your speed. There's no wrong choices, just different approaches for different needs. And that's Pangolin in a nutshell, a powerful free open source alternative that puts you back in control of your internet connectivity. Remember, the internet was built on the principle of open standards and community collaboration. Tools like Pangolin keep that spirit alive while giving you practical benefits today. If you're interested in trying Pangolin, I have put detailed installation instructions in the description below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you understand something new. Subscribe for more tech explanations that actually make sense and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our latest coverage.